If you want to create storytelling videos just like the way I show you guys using CapCut, and you cannot be able to use CapCut, don't worry, I'm going to show you a new platform that will allow you to generate storytelling videos with voiceover just like CapCut. And this AI tool is free. At the time of making this video, it is still free. You can generate unlimited videos with it. All you just need to do is just to paste your story there, and it will generate the full story video for you, and it will also animate it, put the voiceover, put the caption. Everything is going to be on that video. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you how you are going to dive into it and start using this AI tool and start generating videos for yourself for free, without paying, without subscribing for anything. So if you are doing faceless channel, all those things, you can use this AI tool and you start building your channel. Now let's get started. Now, this is the name of the AI tool we are going to use today. As you can see, the name is up here. It is called Foca AI. So just log in onto the AI, just register, and after you register, you can just put your story here, the type of story you want to create. Right now, maybe, for example, I will say, I want to create a story about let's say, African man who rule his people, and called himself God. So just a simple story like this: African man who rule his people and call himself God. So after I just write your story, just a story, your story idea, you just click on generate and just give it some minutes. Now, as you can see, it will analyze your story. Now, as you can see, the user thinking about video. So this is the video: African man who rule himself as a king. So it's writing everything. Just leave it. The AI is going to write everything. You say, I will be happy to create a video for you. So it will bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, it will ask you to answer this. You say, which historical figure? So what do you want in your story? As you can see, how do you want your story? So let's say, let's choose this first one. After you choose that first one, it will bring you to an interface like this. What virtual style fit your version? Do you want a cinematic documentary style, or all these ones you are seeing here, or you want a realistic historical drama? So anyone you want. So let's put it realistic. Or if you want a documentary, like something documentary, you can put it documentary. Now let me choose this number 3, realistic. Then it will ask you your aspect ratio, which aspect ratio you are going to choose. If are you using it for TikTok, for Facebook, anyone? Let me choose this first one that is for TikTok. Now, do you want a narration voice, or which one do you want? You can choose anyone. So if you want narration voice, or you want music only, or you can also choose customize. Here you write something like dialogue, characters, dialogue, or you just write characters, or you put dialogue, just dialogue self, or let's put characters so that it will make sense. Characters, then you click on submit. Then after that, it is going to analyze everything. Now, you want your video to talk, or you don't want it to talk. If you did narration that you want, you can put narration. Now it's analyzing everything. As you can see, dialogue style, everything. So this is how it's going to be. The African plan, God. So it's writing everything down. It's going to write the story for you. So just give it some minutes. Now it's writing everything. It's writing it. Let's give it some minutes. Now, as you can see, this is how the scene is going to be. Now, it will ask you, confirm, yes, generate it. So, would you like me to proceed with the generation? So, all you just have to do, just click on yes. Just click on yes to generate. You ask him to generate. Now, as you can see, it's creating our video already. So, it's creating our video. We just have to give it some minutes, and it's going to generate the video. As you can see, creating video. So, just give it some minutes so that it's going to generate the video. Now, before you done generating the video, let me explain this thing to you. Now, you guys have seen everything, how you can use this AI tool to start creating amazing story videos for yourself. If you cannot be able to afford other AI tools like CapCut and all those storytelling videos AI, if you cannot be able to afford it, you can use this AI tool. It's also going to help you. At the time of making this video, it is still free. So, meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed or follow, make sure you like and follow, comment in the comment section of this video, and don't forget to share this video so that more people are going to benefit from this video. See you guys on our next video.